Hi guys, today we're going to install the cabin air filter from EPAuto. It's called CP135. Installation will be done in our 2002 Acura RSX. Besides that, it actually works for Honda Civic 2001-2005, Honda CR-V 2002-2006, Honda Element 2003-2011. And here are the part numbers that it can replace. What's cool about this product is that it comes with activated charcoal or activated carbon, as it's also called. You can see all these black spots inside the filter. Unlike the regular filters, products with activated charcoal can also filter different odors and fumes, including the exhaust fumes of other vehicles, which can contain such gases as carbon monoxide or nitrogen oxides, which are quite harmful for your health. So having this type of cabin air filter in your vehicle can guarantee that the air in your cabin will be much cleaner. Another thing I want to add, guys, is that some other aftermarket brands or OEM types of these filters actually cost quite high, up to $50 per set. This one costs around $15 on the Amazon, and if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description. Right now I'll show you guys how to remove the previous cabin air filter. In this vehicle you have to actually remove two hooks first before you can lower the glove box. In some other ones, like Civic for example, you just have to simply push these sides and it will come out. So it depends on what vehicle you have, but in this case you have to push right here and remove this hook. This is how it looks. And we have one more on this side, same idea, and then our glove box comes down all the way. And now we have access to our cabin air filter. This is a cover that needs to be removed by pulling this one like this, and it comes out as well. This is how this one looks. And we have two filters here as well, and yes, they are quite dirty. As for how often you should replace these ones, as I said, because we have charcoal ones, this should be replaced once per year, because with time the charcoal efficiency of the charcoal goes down, so you have to replace them once per year. So remove the previous one, and we actually have two of these. So the second one, I'll try to show you. Second one is located inside, and you have to remove it by pulling this one right here. So keep in mind that there are two of them, not one. And this one looks similar to the first one, quite dirty. So yes, it is definitely the time to replace them. So I'll show you guys how this is done. Insert this one. And before we do that, another thing that I have to mention, it actually says it on this one here, the airflow. So you have to follow these arrows. In this vehicle, the air flows from top to the bottom, and that's what this arrow shows. So it hits the top of the filter first and gets out the other way. Why this is important is because these filters actually are made of different layers. So the upper layers filter larger particles, while the lower ones filter smaller particles. So if you install it upside down, this means that this side will get clogged a lot faster, and therefore the efficiency of the filter goes down significantly. Again, the airflow on the filter tray, arrows point down, same as on our filter. And I'll show you guys, you see these narrow ones will actually go right here. So this means that it is designed the right way specifically for this vehicle or other vehicles that use these types of filters, which is great. So first one goes inside in a similar manner and push it in, and let's do the second filter. And insert the second filter inside like this. Okay, at this point we can close the cover. And now we have to use the hooks again to secure our glove box. So this end goes like that. And you push this side. One end is secure, and the same way right here. Alright, so our installation is complete. I'll show you guys again the not original but the previous ones, how much dust, dirt, debris they have accumulated. I want to point out again that you should replace them ideally once per year. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I hope this will be helpful. If you like the filters with activated carbon, I will leave the link in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.